Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest updated way to link your Exness Trading Account to MetaTrader 5. If you're new to trading, don't worry, just follow along and you'll have everything connected in a couple of minutes. First, make sure you've already created your Exness account. Log in using the Gmail and password you used during registration. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll need to create a trading account. Tap Create New Account, then choose the type of account you want. For this tutorial, I'm selecting Real Account. When the Real Account options show up, choose Standard, which is the recommended choice for most beginners. Hit Continue and now set your account currency. I'm choosing USD here. Give your account a simple nickname so you recognize it later, then continue. Next, create your trading password. I've already set mine, so once that loads, you'll see your new Exness Trading Account appear on your screen. Now head to your profile. Your account should show as verified, which means your identity documents and proof of residence have already been approved. If yours isn't verified yet, make sure to complete that. The MT5 login won't work without it. Once everything is verified, find your trading account and click the three dots beside it. Select Account Settings. Here, you can adjust your leverage. I'm changing it to 1 to 100, which sits in the medium risk zone. Not too high, not too low. Below that, you'll see two important details: your login ID and your server. These are the keys you'll use to log into MT5, so go ahead and copy your login number. Now let's jump into MetaTrader 5. Open your MT5 app and go to Settings. Tap your current account, then tap Add Account. In the search bar, type Exness. From the list, select Exness Technologies Limited. That's the correct one to use. Choose Login to an existing account, because we already created our real account in the Exness app. Now, tap Server and select the same server you saw earlier. In my case, it's MT5 Real 9. Paste your login ID, type in your trading password, and confirm. And that's it. Your Exness account is now fully connected to MetaTrader 5. You're ready to start analyzing charts, placing trades, and managing your positions directly from MT5. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more quick trading tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy connecting.